Alright, good morning everyone. I have everyone's names in there. And yes, there is 200 in there.
Not me. Not counting me.
Not counting you. No, it's not counting you. So, let's put the lid on.
Oopsie.
So here, do you want to hold this, Ari?
Yeah.
Okay, you hold that. So what I'll do is...
No one's getting those names anytime soon.
Well, it's not that they're getting the names.
They're going to try to steal the names.
I've also worked out a better way to do the comments.
What?
Better way to do draws for engines and stuff like that. And it's people who comment on it.
Yeah.
And then you put them in a comment generator. Yeah, that's the better way to do it, man.
Yeah, they usually do that. Other YouTubers do that.
Yeah, well, that's what we're going to have to do.
Instead of just grabbing a shoebox and doing this junk.
Grabbing a shoebox and doing this, yeah. Look at that. Names are in there.
That's
some, there's some bits of paper that are smaller than others. All right, so I think the best way is...
Okay, so there. He's shuffling it, as you probably called it.
Okay, now do you want to draw it out?
Yes, please.
Okay, hang on a second. Let me make sure I'm filming it. Okay, now you got to not be able to look in there. Because it's got to be random. Now just pick one. Don't pick two, just pick one. Okay. What does that say?
Mr. I don't know.
You could make this up, man. Mr. Hearts HD. Mr. Hearts HD.
He won.
Well, he won, yeah. So it's your engine, mate. Whoever you are, Mr. Hearts HD. We'll
set something up to give you the engine.
Yep, well,
wherever you are.
And if he's international, we'll just give him some cash and we might just do a redraw.
Yep.
That's the go, isn't it? Yeah? But it's 2019 today, isn't it? It's the first day.
Yes.
We're pulling the motor out today. Why not? Let's do it. Okay? So, motor's coming out. Mr. Hearts HD, whoever you are, contact me on here in the comments or on Facebook at OG-JDM. And you got yourself a perfect RB25. Unless you're international, then, I don't know, we'll give you $500 cash.
As much this thing costs or something?
No, I think we re-give it away to someone here in Australia, but we give him like 500 cash. Okay. Yeah? Okay? Something like that. All right? But I'm pulling the motor out today, okay? So I might film that whole thing as well. All right, everyone. Thanks for that. That's the draw. Mr. Hearts HD.
You've won it.
Sounds like a made-up name.
Yeah, I know.
All right, see ya.